Matthew, today I'll marry the first man that ever said I love you to. I never thought in a million years that I would ever get married, because I would never settle for anything less than the best. I reserve those words and my love just for you. You've taught me unconditional love by the way that you love me, my friends, and my family. I promise to continue to show you the same love. I won't promise things I can't keep, such as to always be kind and patient. I won't always be, of course, not her words there, but I promise to give you the best version of myself as I possibly can. I promise I will never step out of our marriage, and I will not seek something in someone else that I know I can find in you. I promise that in sickness, I will be the most loving wife, best friend, and nurse that I can possibly be. Most importantly, I promise to always choose us. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me when I'm a still day and when I'm a hurricane. I can't wait to marry you and dance in the rain. Thankfully, it's not raining. I love you. Love your wife, me.
It is an honor to come today to celebrate Christy Cherie Parker and Matthew Gerald Jeske's uniting in Christian love their hearts and lives. The journey to find one's soulmate is very difficult, but once discovered is engulfed with an uncontrollable love that is hard to explain. A ring is a perfect circle, which like God's love has no beginning or end. The ring is made of precious metal and is a seal of the vows you have made here today, and a reminder that you will be faithful and fulfill your vows. As Matthew and Christy have consented together to marriage, and having made their vows and symbolized their vows by giving and receiving rings, I now present Mr. and Mrs. Matthew and Christy Jeske. You may now kiss the bride.
I don't cry when it rains no more, or I get dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait for tomorrow's sunshine when I feel it today, and when it's cold in the dead of winter, remember that snow melts away. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Go put on that old wedding dress now. Probably still fits like a glove. And tell the band to play one more slow song, 'cause you still have all my love. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. Let's get happy before we get old.
Hey neighbors, your besties Kelly, Jamie, Elaine, and Elise wanted me to know that today is your wedding day. Congratulations, happy wedding day. I'm so honored that Suitcase is your song, and I want to wish you guys all the best in your travels and your adventures together. God bless. See you soon.